So we have 2 bedrooms. Let me show you the smaller one first. No one is staying here. I'm alone, so no one has this room. What's up guys, David Hoffman here from Davidsbeenhere in beautiful Guwahati, Assam, India. Today what I want to do is I want to give you my Airbnb apartment tour. You know, I love doing this because I want to show everybody where I stay, and I love staying on Airbnb apartments. Airbnb apartments is the best because you're staying at a local's house in a local neighborhood, and we're staying next to, what's the name of the lake? Guwahati, that's the name of the lake. It's right here. So this is like a nice lane. Lane is a street, a lot of like restaurants, there's a lot of shops right here. I mean, you could buy, you know, whatever, pharmacy right there, a few different people selling chai around there. And yeah, this is the building I'm staying in. I'm staying in a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. I got a nice kitchen, I have a huge living room, I have a terrace. Enough talking, come inside. Careful. Alright, so you can see carport, and this is like an apartment building, right? So a lot of people live here. First floor is Federation of Indian Export Organization. I don't know, so it's commercial, right? And yeah, so no elevator, so we have a lot of stairs. You gotta be careful.
Yes.
Yeah, so I'm on the 2nd floor, so that is 0, this is 1, that is 2, right?
Yes.
I hope I'm right. And I love this. It's like an older style building, but they've kept it up to date. Nice, they cleaned it up. So pink walls, some yellow walls. A lot of stairs though. Luckily when you get here, there's somebody, a caretaker of the building, who comes and he helps you with the bag, so you don't have to break your back. And here we go. This is my unit. There's no number here, but here we go. So that's it. So that is how I open up my apartment. Woo. Here we go. This is my apartment. It's really nice, it's cozy. As you can see right here, I have like my little work area. So you have a couch, nice table, glass table, 2 different seats. Here we have some seats as well, right? So I just leave this here, sit down. I wouldn't sit here actually, I would sit over there. When you come in, you want to lock up, do that, boom, done. And so this is like living room, dining room, right? Dining room right here. We got a few lights here as well. We have a fan, and I like the green. It feels really cozy. And over here we have this bookshelf. On top of it we have this rhino, the 1-horned rhino, and I'm going to see this. This is in Kaziranga National Park. So before I go to the bedrooms, let me show you the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. Kitchen comes with a nice fridge. What I love about India, all the Airbnbs always come with this, a big thing of water. So fresh water every single day. You know, it's pretty full right now. I probably won't run out. I need water, it's really hot right now. We have a washer dryer right here. Right, washer dryer. Stove, microwave, we got some tea. You always have tea in India, and Assam is actually the biggest producer of tea in India. So, just so you know that. And then, you know, some forks, knives, you have some, you know, cups for your tea, and just basically a standard kitchen here in India. Very nice, it's cozy, it's, you know, this really takes me back, I'd say, to like 1970s in terms of how it looks. So we have 2 bedrooms. Let me show you the smaller one first. No one is staying here. I'm alone, so no one has this room. Very nice room. They basically combined 2 twin beds together, right? There's a closet here. This closet has some extra, you know, blankets in case it gets cold, because at night it does get a little cold here. Over here we have the bathroom. Okay, very nice bathroom. I actually like this bathroom a lot. It's very open, lots of light coming in, and The only thing is that here the shower is not separate from the toilet. There's no separator. So what I would say is always try to stand over here. Don't get the toilet too wet, because then you're gonna have to clean it up before you go to the bathroom. Okay, so I always keep all of them locked, and that is so like mosquitoes don't get in. Okay, and here we go. This is my huge master, king size bed. We have a nice area over there, station. I basically have a charging station over there. We have a table and 2 seats here. Walk all the way down here. If you need to iron anything, got an ironing board. Have everything out just in case. Over here, we have a closet, right? It's a pretty big closet. More blankets in case it gets too cold. Got my towel, right? And then this is my bathroom. Again, lots of light, lots and lots of light. So pink floors. And this one actually is a lot bigger. So I took a shower today and didn't get the toilet any of that wet, you know? Maybe a little bit of sprinkles, but it didn't get it like soaked. And then we also have the heater. And the way this works, most places in India is like this. You have the heater, so when you want to take a shower, you come outside and you go here and you click this button. Why isn't it turning on? Well, I think I turned it on. I had it on the wrong one, so it's probably too hot already. So I'll let that stay there. But yeah, so you turn it on and 20 minutes later, the water's super hot. Perfect. It's a terrace. So I have it closed, 'cause I don't want any mosquitoes getting in. But here we go. Terrace. There we have it. Guwahati. Beautiful. It's really hot right now. It's easily like 90 degrees. Coming to Guwahati and you want to stay in a nice 2-bedroom Airbnb, definitely check out this place. It's in the center of the city. I mean, we went all over the city today and we really are like in the smack center. It's an amazing location. The apartment is super comfortable. I'd say you can come here with a family, maybe 5 would be pushing it, but 4 for sure, 4 people. And yeah, just a great place to stay. I highly recommend it. And then before I let you go, I want you to see some stuff that you can see here in Guwahati. Check this out. Oh my god, this momo is so good. But I shouldn't be eating that much. Ooh, it's so hot. Usually what I would do, you gotta grab it like this. I get some of that, put it there, and make like a little taco, right? A little potato curry taco.
They're so smart. Look at them.
They know, they know. Alright, let's give them. Here. Next up, I'm gonna make space, so you clean it out a little bit, move it to the side. Then I'm gonna take some more rice, move it here, right? And then I'm gonna grab some of this. I'm gonna get a spoon. This is the pigeon. And the pigeon, I already see bones. So for the pigeon, when you eat it, oh nice. It almost feels like I'm eating goat.
Huh?
You know, because of tiny bones? Oh.
Yeah.
I actually took a bone down, a tiny one though. So this is why I need to do 2 game drives, because I didn't know which one would be the best. And as you can see, this second game drive is unreal. Seeing these guys bathe the elephants here in the river is such an incredible experience. I mean, so beautiful to see them with their animals. Wow, he's scrubbing them hardcore. This is so cool. Look at that, the baby. So cute. Cheers to good times.
Good times,
and rainy days. Oh, it's nice. This kingfish is strong. Oh, this is way better than the original. It's so good. So here it costs 10 rupees for 5 pani puris, and the way it works is that you just keep going really fast. So I have it. I do it down way too fast though.
Like chew it well.
You do it slow down. This is how it works, right? And there you have it, guys. If you love this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. I'll see you on the next travel food adventure somewhere in the world. Actually, I'll see you in Guwahati. Peace.